Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Bharti. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this yellow brown sunflower cut crease eyeshadow look. This is so summery and I used only matte eyeshadows except on my brow bone area and the inner corner area. Here I use the highlighter, rest all the products are in matte. So without any delays, let's start the video. So first I'm applying Coco brown shade from my PAC eyeshadow palette on my crease area and working towards the inner side of my eyelids. Okay, so I will put the details of all the products and brushes I have used in the description box. Now just to intensify more, I'm applying a little bit more of the same brown color and making my crease look even darker. Just see I'm blending the cut crease color by going back and forth and not putting too much pressure on the brush. Now I have taken a lighter brown shade from the same palette and with the help of a fluffy brush I am blending my upper crease area just to avoid the harsh line, because eye makeup looks great when it is blended well. Blend the outer crease as well as inner crease very well so that this all looks merged together. Now to cut the crease, I am applying Take Cover Concealer from PAC Cosmetics and cutting my crease. Just see here, I am not following my natural crease line but cutting the crease line way below my natural crease line. We are creating sunflower cut crease, so I thought of keeping both yellow and brown in equal proportion. This is going to look different and so beautiful. Now I am using yellow shade from KikoMilano. It is an individual single eyeshadow color. I am applying this on my eyelid below the cut crease line. You just need to work a little more with this lighter color, but trust me, it will look amazing. Apply till the end of the outer wing. Try to be a little precise towards the cut crease line. Now I am using my highlighter shade on the inner corner of my eyes. So it is time to apply eyeliner. I am using a tapered brush and Bobbi Brown gel liner in black ink number 1. First, draw a slant line pointing towards the end of the eyebrow. I always create this guideline for myself so that the outer wing is perfect and slant. Now working towards the inner side of the eyelid. Now draw a line closer to the eyelash line and joining both the parts in the middle. And fill in the rest of the part. And same gel liner I'm using in my lower waterline. Now took the same Doom brush and applying the dark cocoa brown shade from PAC palette, which I used on my crease area, onto my lower lash line now. I have removed extra product from my outer wing and now applying mascara to give lift to my lashes. Lifting the lashes from inside and out, and same applying to my lower lash. will quickly do the rest of my face, blush, highlighter, lipstick, and will show you the complete look. This is the final look. I hope you all liked how it turned out. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram. I will put the link of my Insta handle below. I do share some beauty and makeup related content there and share video updates as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so and press the bell icon to get regular updates of my uploads. So that's it for today. I will come back with more makeup content. Till then, take care, keep enhancing your beauty, and we'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.